Welcome back to Bostin British Fittle, where Maggie and I aim to bring you as many varieties of different British foods as we possibly can. Today we're going to do a childhood biscuit classic. We're doing pink wafers. These wafers are sandwiched together with a thin caramel mixture between them. Pink wafers are a Scottish invention created in Edinburgh in the 1960s by the Crawford's Biscuits Company. Hi guys, before we go any further, please don't forget to follow, like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get updates on all the other British foods I'm going to try. And if you can think of any other British foods that I might like to try, go on to my Blue Sky account, bostinbritfittle.bluesky.social. And don't forget to also check out my Instagram page for all the British foods that I'll have tried, and you can see all the images on there. All right, thanks very much and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, we're going to give this pink wafer a try. Crunchy, starts off a little dry, but as you go through it, that nice caramel kicks in and becomes a tiny bit chewy. But it's a perfect little snack. It's oh, that sweetness has just hit right at the end, but that's why it's good. It's not very filling, but it's filling enough for little mouths and little children. There's no way none of this is brilliant or perfect. But what does the pupper think? What does the pupper think? Okay, let's try a very hopeful pupper with a pink wafer. What's that, pupper? Oh, it's something I'd very much like to eat. Look at that, straight in. No worries there at all. Thank you, pupper.